You have a 9 to 5 job. It's paying the bills. You were looking to transition out of it. So you're looking at after work hours. So we'll just say after 5 p.m. and we'll say weekends. So there's a whole bunch of things that you could do. And this is the beauty of it. So check this out. You get off work at 5 o'clock. I'm sure you're tired. I get it. But that's where content comes into play. Social media is going to be your best friend in this business. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, those are the big ones. And use that to your advantage. Well, how? Well, film real estate content. So after work, before you go home, go to a vacant house and film. You don't need fancy camera equipment. Of course, all of it helps, but you really, truly just need your cell phone. Take your cell phone out and just film. Waiting for a client, welcome to this 4-bedroom home, whatever it is, and put it on social media. Think about where you live. Think about the positives of where you live. Think about the park that you like to go to. Think about the local restaurant that you like to go to, the local coffee shop. And one thing that you could do is you can co-market with them. Well, how does that work? So you can go to, we'll just say, a local restaurant that you enjoy and talk to the owner and interview the owner. So what made you start this restaurant?
That's a good idea.
They will post that on their social media. They will tag you, and that builds your brand. That gives you publicity. Because in real estate, you have to play the long game. It's not about today. It's not about yesterday. It's about the future. It takes time to build your business. So these are some ways that you could build your business. On weekends, you should be hosting open houses. If you cannot get an open house for that particular weekend, go look at open houses and go walk in, do it with your family, do it with friends, do anybody, your parents, and go in there and act like a buyer. See how you're treated. What type of questions are other realtors asking you? Because there's some things that you're going to pick up and you're like, oh, I really like how they said this. Or you're going to cringe, the opposite effect. Oh, I don't like how they said that, but that's all learning experience. So content is your best friend. Social media is your best friend. And hosting open houses. Also your sphere. I guarantee you, I don't care if you have 10 contacts in your phone or 1,000 contacts in your phone. I guarantee you there's at least one person in your phone right now that wants to do something in real estate.
Yeah, you think so?
Reach out to them, absolutely. But don't just reach out to them and say, hi, you interested in buying, selling real estate? They're gonna blow you off. But reach out as their friends. How are you doing? How's the family? How's work? Did you see the game last night? Just any type of conversation, right? We should go grab some coffee and catch up. Slide in someone's DMs on social media when they post a story about animals or food or a sports team, whatever, investing, and talk about that. You don't always have to talk about real estate.
It comes back to it's a people business.
Correct.
Get in front of people's faces.
Exactly. So it's not about a 9-to-5 job because we're in a lifestyle business. We're always working.
Did you know that only 28% of the people who watch this video are subscribed to US Realty Training on YouTube? Do me a big favor. Do me a huge favor and hit the doggone it subscribe button below to become a subscriber. Doing so helps me make more great videos like this. It'll definitely help us. I'll see you on the next one.